Hey everyone! So I got a little different video for you tonight. We were out at Menards doing a little Menards run and looked over and saw a 50% off Christmas Village sign. So, and as you can see, I set up a little Christmas Village every year. And I was looking at them all, seeing if there's anything else I needed, because I pretty much have everything I feel I need for it. And I saw the coolest, what I think is the coolest thing of them all. Dun da da da! Fireworks. Who would have ever thought that you could have fireworks inside with your Christmas Village? So, wanted to show you guys. I'm going to open it up, find a spot for it, plug it in, and show you what it does. So stay tuned.
Show you what it does.
Alright, so got it out of the package, got the batteries in it, and there it is. That's going to light up multicolored, it says. Made a little spot, so we'll just, first we're going to turn it on there. Just a little switch. So, move some of my trees. And there we go. Oh, nope. Take two. There we go. Alright guys, there it is.
Now you have fireworks in your village. A lot of people can sit and watch fireworks.
Got fireworks in the village. This is so cool.
Who else got fireworks in the village? Ask if anybody else got them.
So this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this, so I want to know if anybody else has ever seen this, or if they have it, or if they have something even cooler. So I'm pretty excited. Just wanted to show everyone, have fireworks, you know, a little bit of a pyro here. So anyway, have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe, light those fireworks off, and we'll see you later. 319 Pyros. Have a good night.